Kofi Adams.
Honorable Kofi Adams. I say, or to two Bobby Park in so.
Yes, I'm good.
What's he saying?
Before no, over the message be in New York at the about say the whole brand and the man who be at any quarter just in na.
Oh, okay. What's the message?
Also be at din.
Okay.
New York.
Mama man and number be now on Francis here.
Okay. Eti George Ampofu also in New York up the whole brand and quarter just no.
On Fred 0246 45 8055 0246 45 8055.
Okay.
On Fred's number.
All right, auntie, afayemre fi na Ayala credit card to mama and dada enra sports and recreation minister Ayala Fifi Adams na owo Adom FM ono mo koye interview na interview no de enema bebre tu dwa na mu mienu mpese yehwe first one no on Dede Ayew walk up na ye kono na so we hear man for na say Dede no retire so from international football team say Dede retire na say no ye active there Argentina ye ko walk up yi yem consider the day na yem fa no ko walk up no enso ebise say walk up no kan 99 days na ye ko akobo na yentie minister on the day you course no as we say yem fa no ko walk up anam yem fa no ko no yentie minister understands on it.
We will do well. And possibly do better. Well, I think he's picking up also. Once he hasn't retired from international football, I will not be surprised. Say, team no, I will not be surprised. But that is the coach's responsibility. Going for the World Cup, ain't just about.
Okay, and I'm saying sure. Okay,
contest is very, very important.
Minister on the day you. As you say, young fan ko World Cup, and I'm young fan kono. Minister response ini.
We will do well. And possibly do better. Well, I think he's picking up also. Once he hasn't retired from international football, I will not be surprised. Say, team no, I will not be surprised. But that is the coach's responsibility.
Okay, so the underlying word is the day is picking up. 2, on retire from international football. It is a day picking up. Now on retire so dear. Ono to ono minister no few say we eligible. Say you call ka be betimi consider no. But say adwuma ni na no minister. Na adwuma no. On adwuma ni say okay the day he's playing and a football no so on farm man na wie ye. Enti dia candidate a coach is nasem. So me feel say the day form na wa fa no. Say betimi boy going to the World Cup. Why not Argentina? I will say you consider no for the World Cup na ye kono. Ala em fa no wi na ewia on any pounds yam form on World Cup no. Any baby a benya sika do makono. Ne emfa no so emfa ento aso. Nti ye start with the Dede adete no.
I think say minister and response no spot on.
Okay.
Utie nensem ni year with an open mind. He has not said anything wrong. Or see Dede is actively playing. Or you on retire. That is all that you need to play the Blasters. To be an active player, a Ghanaian, and not retired. That is the criteria I do about Blasters. And okay, just to say, name no a coaching responsibility. So I'm friend. Perfect answer. Where's a science and math quiz now? Yeah, perfect score for the radio. Perfect. As some of kind be anywhere, these are facts. And some of them are straightforward. Now, I can't me for your personal perspective whether we think in our opinion they deserve to be in the Blasters or not, which and it will remain our opinions. The coaches at the Blasters level also any team cry on the some building the World Cup. If per the standard of a team on the some building, so taking a decision to add the Ayew to it or not, Rich, it is their decision. The kind of blasters they want to go to represent Ghanaians. Bob and Yakwakobo, Rose Banner, Ombeso Bia playing the team. If they do all their SWOT analysis, now Omujin say either the Debeboa and answer Omboa. Rich, the World Cup is not too far. We will get to know. In fact, say no crazy the dempo betiminya akonya World Cup no akwa. Which I think the two fellas here in Europe. Say no cry, you benya home popo anameboa. Because exactly, we have those two games. One game against Wolves team no and Mexico. These are the only 4 games at least you have to say Blasters ever bo and Sani World Cup no plus other training matches be bobo. So say no crazy. You bet me and you be able to ni mu a. Na de so ba be kan ho a. At least you benya home prepare from yanim ye. E ma refi. Na see me no be Blasters nkomo on this network. E ma make catch you say the technical team pair our information as in Nhyira Sports Desk. One position still now open they've not close is a number 10 row. Since they've been watching players around. Augustine, Boache, Amoni, other players they are trying to see whether they can add to it. If the day is part of the list or not, me I don't know. But so Okanwa, you benya home prepare any many ya. So we some maybe opinion there. I think said they were some why the obetimi ayama Ghana Blasters. So Oma Konya Emma and Cranny Bisuso take omu time at the Blasters. In many personal opinion, ebeboa.
Because my phone started from baby Ayala Fifi, you know. Yes, they did ticket boxes and I seen say yeah, friend of Black Stars are on retire or a Ghana me and as he says no ashia or pick a form as a player. Or take his boxes in now, but from who perspective no. If we a World Cup near could hear Dede Ayew.
What's the same question? No, you the same question.
No, Miss Entina me say, baby Ayala di you know.
Yeah, so if you ask me if we need Dede Ayew, they are
aside or ticket boxes need now see a man call up.
Yeah, since I'm say so we some see Nhyira. I don't mind taking Dede Ayew there in some capacity as a general captain.
Okay.
We may not need him on the field of play. Some of Boboni be my idea. But I may need his leadership. I may need his guidance as an experienced person or group in him. So by guiding a young cop. You understand? So anytime because also say a question, you say, do we need his leadership there? There's a point in time I can see that we need his leadership. But generally, I don't think that they should be at the World Cup. So fast the experience leadership nank be here no offer ball no the be mind o can in a boom and strike the average. I don't think there is somebody that we have to take to the World Cup. I also me a part of the school of thoughts that I think that respectfully I say your pet time near pet date near boss ceremonial game. Yeah, Accra, Kumasi, maybe in the north where he hails from. Say a War Crampa very close to where his parents are from. Never freedom. A ceremonial game for him. For me, I think that is the highest that we can give him. Because again, what is the tendency say this World Cup can be good for us? Yanshenia, they do go to the World Cup and say Ankuya, the conversation goes around say they has again destabilize the camp. In Penisa, for where he has gotten to, I think it's important to Obey guide the name that he has gotten to know. For me also, with everything that has happened, I don't think so. Senke or can be a bit in the Diako, and he doesn't have to be a player. Now he can play some role as to guide the young players out. Of course, he's an excellent gentleman in Kenfaniko. But as a player, I don't think so even your makeshift number 10 is near Kano. Did they offers more than now, I watched him over the weekend against Nak Breda match on my boy, you know. It's not there. See, let me tell you something. Say Le Havre FAO on a short-term loan. Na season end. Na Le Havre don't continue it. It tells you something. Le Havre is not a big French side. Understand? Yeah. Yes, they say that Michel on the interview on Matthew, I'm a former Ghana striker. Matthew, I think, works at Nak Breda, so as one of the coaches. And they spoke about a good time. He mentioned, although the Denangasa cancer still, he has it in him. say he'll play football. He doesn't feel like he is done. He feels like there's a few more that he can give. He didn't mention specifically, he said Black Stars, but of course, in the footballing career. Of course, a bit more about the club level. And yeah, by force, a change and see they call up.
Rich, yeah, let's hold on to the other voices now, and let's expand this Dede conversation. So that I can be thorough on the other issues. So, number one, I will not be a hypocrite. Okay. Say, in the last few months, me share all the conversations around Dede. In Mimi observation, there seems to be a certain political hands being forced behind the Dede push. We must be careful.
As a penny be from a baimu, and they push you, young fan and call.
There's a certain political color to push the Dede Ayew agenda. Me, I'm not that kind of journalist. But when I see things that are clear, whether it is controversial or not, I will want to say this is my observation. It started from Ora Mickey Charles. The interview be on Asempa. Sometimes they can't connect, brother. Also, obey me the sense in the book. I say Dede will still move to a team. He will be active before the World Cup, and he will be part of the World Cup. We know where Mickey Charles is coming from.
Sure.
And check, and I did a brother. We saw a certain element within government that were happy to push for Ghanaians to know so Dede has really made the mover and managed the platform to be eligible for the World Cup. I am saying this with caution. Honorable Kofi Adams said if per any position as government advisor on sports, now a politician that belongs to the ruling party, say I no and uncomfortable fan so to push the political agenda for the Ayew inclusion for this World Cup on Shanu. And I'm saying this with the Atu Blasters in the past, where the team became so divided on party colors. And one of Enyoma Edienya, the reason why around the continent, young choir golden generation and AFCON. It is one of the major problems that we had. Say in Kakankaka, Sabiani air free blasters in him, and the national team no aqua. Yaman in Koda.
Because at a point, yenya captain, you know, a team. As we were a political party, we so Missumu Winty said, Yaba am a bomb moment. It's okay, see, as you Yenya Bambi, Momonamo, Yansu Mama money. It's one team, but divided place.
Which the way politics a divided blasters. Yentimi ni san komoni nyina ene.
Yeah.
Enti look, in some say because there are political undertones. You can choose to talk about it, you can choose not to. But I am only expressing the caution to conform more power. Say, if it is on the football basis, then we may have a fair judgment from the technical team. So we feel said the day on footballing basis. I also on that premise, fine. But it shouldn't be the case. Say, there is a power play agenda that pushes the day into the Blasters team. Yes, idea a very problematic. Then the last one I make. You see, this issue about leadership. Dede offers leadership. Rich, Mamen can same way. In the football space, we've seen them use major tournaments, build the future of national teams. It will be the biggest mistake at Ghana to think so. You will work up And you know, I say a one-off tournament where we need to go and play. And maybe free maybe a blasters no, you free by any maybe a best edeko. We are in a transitional period with our team. The World Cup doesn't stop that process. And I want to say, young Kaya, you stay in the lane of transition and building. Young if we have to. World Cup Ghana Yentimen say a time we reach. And I will say, you're building Augustine Boache. I will say, you're building Frank J. Jr. Be our blasters in him. Not the next AFCON, the next 2 AFCONs. Omunombabe take it as campaigns. If the opportunity is today, let's present it like that. Now, I can say, no, Rich, you're taking capacity, no, and you're too short, say, BBL will only see the short term. And the tournament, you bet me, and they are fast, so I continue to build, no. Over time, say, oh, I walk up when you go see some penny for no more experience, or my booby da, or no way. Ya cause blow chance, no. When we could have given this same platform to young guys, get exposure, go and play. You film mumpa and penny for go be film, and can go be film. You film, then we will know say, oh, after the World Cup, the basis of your national team, Ayala Blasters, no, is that we have a core team of average age of say 23, 24. You say the next two, of course,
they are so learning.
We can rely on
almost any exposure.
Fantastic. And me yes, I'm mistaken.
Okay. Into na minister on nipa don't be free Ghana ha. Akosha World Cup ni bi na no so Yera Kofi Adams at the 172 in TV.
Going for the World Cup, ain't just about going to chase the ball for 90 minutes. Yes, so you're fan to say, "Hey, Queen Yabia, you say, you disuya bibi." So necessarily, we would like to send a few persons to also go and learn certain culture, fan mobilization, fan support, even your police for many IG edi hunkomo because we want to form the police unit for sports. So you say, "Yes, sheda edi bin musuye den echo now." They should have opportunity of seeing crowd control in action, not just theory. A learning process for us. This World Cup will return and be the same. So, if my fundraising works very well, I have a certain number of police persons. Also, then the emergency response team, so 1 or 2 be also then of course the creative arts free and bloggers and then the rest because a opportunity for them also to build a base because your hana ISO speed and following or the nadia or say yes so or more hanka crowd mukra 50,000 100,000 followers 1 million 1.2 million followers. Yet one ko na omusu ko yebi wo na out of report na omude ba no they get a few more.
Okay, and minister on a nipa person do mo akọ World Cup no na utie minister ya se World Cup na ekọ no. E bo no nko ekọ bo ene bo na ekọ he no nko a. Ye ko na akusua de na ye nso de aba ba ye football ni bi. Enti obepe se ye dia police fo ni bi ebekọ na ekwan a esi efa so a control say BBS park so now say police for control crowd in this ania no ni dina no ombeko no makwa kusua bi afi emergency response team bloggers so dina no come be fa so ombesuasua sa ania ma we nim na ne dia back into our football na eno so aboa ma yen football no etimi anyini no ombe na oma yini na owie kura no na o say sa nipa we nim dina no or try so no ebe raise fund and so ade amasa ankofo na osese mu yadudia alizo betu expand no na odi nipa adodo na nso atimi akose ne be ya omo be kwa akosua de ne de aba be ye football no enso ewo eye Ghana na owie kura no kra no eno so mo mbakọ World Cup no mo ma no ye bi awokọ World Cup no wa adwen sa wo ma ministers we no ka kire wo
Onase wamba yebecho umbecho America is now more than prepared for that now more ayecho na ye dey to ice at the head and there's financial reward attached to Sadieno, so people will choke people. Who causes ya now continue fee now what says ya America so I
okay, and the ministers will call one my
yeah time they discuss my team for me shipping munchao. During the president's State of the Nation address, or can the same thing? I see, oh, Miss Ghana from to Koyako US. I go have work up no mokwa any diem Monsamra. And I honorable Kufadam so square day. On so dear Munaka class account say, Okonowa may bet you didn't tell me, sir. There's a gentleman agreement between Ghana government, any US consulate, any embassy, Omamo Matias here, they will take a number of supporters to the US. And Tiasiano say the US embassy has agreed to give those people visas. And see, Sir Okasales no there's no question of Yebe refusing any. Now, the government have been able to negotiate 2-year visa for each of those people on that list. The only caveat is Ombedu money.
Now, as I call work, I'm 2 years. Oh, Gabi, the one man to say,
but who said, no problem. And you'll be an Etias, say, ne papa mua within the 2 years. Sanka ko work up new year, you come back. Sa uko work up no kwa we na oba baka. Na pay immigration records no. Yes, stamp say o uko ya mbawa ba. The government is now exonerated from the agreement.
So later no obetimi asa.
So later uko na enya work up ni na uko a. Government ni mu akwanya bia na say the council cannot come back and say oh ye no mo kwa. That is why the president and the minister is telling Kofwa to travel. No say they will not be able to tell you all the information. But that is the background I'm the amount. So we have opportunity now. So on the every individual be a visa. So I go to why they now best on their fine. But more submitted by the ministry listener there.
So who's a war was our listeners?
My listeners, so.
That's all ministry lesson. Me listening matter.
Me also there. But
doesn't mean
team. I mean, I say.
Me too.
Mrs. Midi and me also there. The metros their major visa.
Oh, okay.
I don't have an American visa. The metros, so I'll take the visa.
And to where we are now, later now, sir.
They have Vivica and Kamaji visa there. As a visa, Obeji Kwaban Konko. Obeji. I
meet Maji Batmenko.
Go have no.
But if don't, I can go to the World Cup and watch 2 matches and come back.
No, on World Cup now. And if the World Cup require on Pep, time a crowd or that could you all this.
Kofi. Oh, Mama, who do you move?
Not a way more ministry.
More about Obi Bema wo Johnson ni mu pai ebi kam eya